So thank you. So basically, like I told you, in MSAD IT solution, you can see Tech Hub. Our headquarters is in Ondo City, Ondo State, Nigeria. But we have online training and teaching platform where actually our students across the world can actually learn, and it's a kind of extensible and highly developed learning platform. So in our training, we have this data processing. On this data processing, these are the things you are going to learn. You learn operating system, learn word processing, you learn presentation package, Internet of Things, Google Workspace training. That Google Workspace training will teach you Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slide, Google Form, Google Works. Also, we're going to teach you how to open email address, how to do mass email sending. We also teach you how to customize your signature on your email. That's part of Google Workspace training. We also teach you uh, also another part which is Google Sheets, how you can actually use a Google Form to collect information. So that's part of Google Workspace under the package of data processing. So the data processing, we have 3 months, we have 4 months, and we have 6 months. As we have it physical, so also we do have it online. And you can actually buy the course online and learn it at your own pace. So at the same time, we have this these are web developments, the web development. So let's say we have this web development training, and these are web developed training. We have the front end, we also have the back end. In the front end, you are going to learn from the beginning, which is the structure, CSS. After CSS, you learn JavaScript. After JavaScript, will train you. After HTML, JavaScript will also train you Bootstrap, which is a framework, and at the same time, will teach you jQuery. So this makes up the language that we use in front end development. After that, you want to proceed into our back end development training. In that back end, we teach you database by learning the SQL language SQL, either MySQL or Microsoft Server SQL. We also teach you PHP to develop some application. For example, if you submit a form and when that form is submitted, the inputs of the user that actually submitted the button, where is it stored? How do you process it? How do you fetch it? So we learn the CRUD, CRUD, create, read, update, and delete in the database installation. They also will start learning CPanel admin, actually how you can configure your control panel of your web hosting. We teach you web hosting, domain name registration, deployment of a web application. Or maybe you want to develop different web application, maybe news portal, your student application portal, develop maybe user organization management portal, different application that runs on the internet. Actually, you can use the combination of the front end and the back end to develop. So also we provide services and training in web development. Before I go, also we do have programming. This programming language training is both online and offline. So we have the basic, there's a beginner or symbolic instruction code. Basic, that's when you actually start learning programming. Also, we teach Java, we teach Python, and then when you learn this Python, you can actually use it to do analysis. So, which makes it a Python library for data analysis.